everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to fade audio in Adobe Express. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Adobe Express application. Once you do that, from the main homepage of Adobe Express, go ahead and open up a project where you have an audio layer, or you can also go ahead and create a new project where you can add an audio layer. Here I have a project where I have already added a video and an audio layer. Now go ahead and select the audio layer from your timeline and you will be able to see other options at the bottom, but as you can see that there is no built-in feature to directly fade audio in or out on Adobe Express. Here is a manual workaround. Simply go ahead and get to the front part of your audio and simply click on split. After you've clipped the first part, go to the last part again and click on split once again. After you've splitted your audio clips, simply go ahead and select the first splitted part and click on volume. Now, drag the little circle towards the left hand side and make sure that you lower the volume on each segment. Go back to the last area as well and click on volume and lower the volume once again. After you do that, you have now reduced the volume of the first and the last segments. Now, preview your video and you will be able to get the fade in or the fade out effect. So that is the only workaround you can use when it comes to fading audio in Adobe Express, since there is not a built-in feature for that. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.